Welcome. Today, I'm excited to share 10 timeless lessons inspired by Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic philosopher. These principles can help you improve in every aspect of life, no matter what challenges you face. They're not relics of the past. They're beacons guiding us toward growth and resilience in today's world. Whether you're just starting your journey or seeking wisdom, these lessons will inspire and guide you. Join me as we explore Marcus Aurelius' teachings through a modern lens. It's about progress, not perfection. These lessons are keys to a purposeful and resilient life. Get ready to dive into timeless wisdom. You have the power to apply these lessons every day. Let's illuminate the path to becoming the best version of ourselves together. 1. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. 2. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. 3. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury, for it is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live. 5. Our life is what our thoughts make it. 6. If someone is able to show me that what I think or do is not right, I will happily change, for I seek the truth by which no one was ever truly harmed. It is the person who continues in his self-deception and ignorance who is harmed. 7. If it is not right, do not do it. If it is not true, do not say it. -1. Whenever you are about to find fault with someone, ask yourself the following question: what fault of mine most nearly resembles the one I am about to criticize? -1. How much more grievous are the consequences of anger than the causes of it? 10. Live a good life. If there are gods and they are just, then they will not care how devout you have been, but will welcome you based on the virtues you have lived by. If there are gods but unjust, then you should not want to worship them. If there are no gods, then you will be begone, but will have lived a noble life that will live on in the memories of your loved ones. So there you have it, 10 timeless lessons inspired by Marcus Aurelius, viewed through a modern lens. These principles can truly change your life, helping you excel in everything you do. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress and ongoing growth. I challenge you to take these lessons to heart, applying them daily to become your best self. Your support means the world to us. If you found value in this discussion, please like and subscribe to join our community dedicated to learning and growth. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let's continue exploring wisdom together as we strive to be our best selves.